Too crazy. Too crazy. Yo! What's up, everyone? It's Yoa here. Today we're reacting to Rogue Wave from France with a little bit of Colombian spice consisting of River and Colaps. We saw their elimination yesterday and they were amazing. So we're gonna check out their shout on Beatbox International called In Your Town. So let's go.
What's up, guys? This is Colaps, River, and this is a big shout out to Beatbox International, who are Rogue Wave from France and Colombia.
Exactly.
Exactly. Let's go. Oh, that's so clean. Oh my god. Oh, Colaps with a technicality. I swear to you, bro, Colaps' kisses never gets old to me. It's so good. It's so good. So precise. Oh my god. Oh. Whoa. Okay, damn.
In your town too.
Ooh. Oh my god, that trombone, the low, oh the reverb, oh, bro, oh my
Cheers,
god.
thank you guys.
Okay. There's a thing I want to point out first. That beginning, okay? So, River. Absolutely beautiful. It sets the mood. It set the mood. And then and then, dude, listen to Colaps. This is why he was GBB champion. He is so good, so refined, bro. This is like Footbox G, but just crack cocaine, dude. Oh my god. Oh my. I don't know how you can have that so precise. Damn. Oh my god. And then there was this part where they're just like, hold on, let me find it.
In your town too.
This. Ow. That's so insane. What? Oh my god. And then I think this is the middle part right here. This is also insane, but this one. It's like River's like, I don't even know what it's called. Someone write that. I need to know what that's called. But he does that sound. And then Colaps does, I assume it was the inward tongue roll. And it just sounds so good together. Listen. Oh, what a build. And then
in your town too.
Wow. Dude, these two champions are just so good, okay? River and Colaps. Oh my god. I can't wait to see more of them in the battle. Because I know they obviously made it. Saw the elimination. We all saw it. We all saw it. They're obviously in the battle. And they're just gonna... They're gonna crush it, bro. They're gonna crush it. River and Colaps just... Too crazy. Too crazy. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. You get two champions in the team. The combination is... It's too overpowered. I'm just saying. Like, oh my god. Like I said, these two are gonna crush it. And yeah. Like, there's nothing much to say. I'm trying to like... Dude, they're just amazing. They're so amazing, bro. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. YOLOW here. Subscribe. We're close. Right now, me recording this, I think we're at like 995 subs. We're so close. So you already know. Subscribe. You already know what's up. I'll see you guys later. Peace.